Good morning, everyone. My name is Chris. I am here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is a very warm Friday morning for us here. Sorry, I am sweating a little bit. Kathy has some sales for us. I think this is going to be a two-part video. We're going to show you guys what sold for us today and then also Saturday, because it is a 3-day weekend, right? A holiday weekend, so.
Yes, we won't be shipping Monday.
Yeah.
Because the post office is not open, and then, yeah. Did you say what time it was?
No, it's a little early.
So yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out with some friends today. So we're shipping early. So sales will probably come in today. I don't want to make any of those sales wait all the way till Tuesday. So
right.
We're gonna add in tomorrow morning, Saturday morning sales.
That's right.
To this video. So I'm going this way. Where am I going? Oh, AS. So first sale. This Good American jeans. So I got these actually at the Goodwill Bins up in Denver when I was up with Kristen and Jimmy. So yeah, this was part of our like little challenge, and this is the thing that I showed as my one that was the best thing I found in the first hour for the challenge. But they sold for $41 plus shipping. I had $1.37 into them, so a good flip.
Yeah.
But definitely not as good as Kristen. She sold her hobo bag for, I think, 100 something.
Dang, good job, Kristen.
In like the first month, so yeah.
I'll put a card to that video. You guys can go check that out. Don't forget to go check out Kristen and Jimmy's videos. That's a rural squirrel and old school flips.
Yep.
So make sure you check that stuff out.
So those are going in a padded flat rate. They are just over £1. And yeah, definitely be on the lookout for Good American jeans. I do feel like their value's gone down a little since the first pair I sold, but $40 for a pair of jeans is still a good flip.
Yeah.
All right. Sold a pair of these basics men's, just like a track pant. I got these retail arbitrage for $12. Sold this pair for $33.96 plus shipping. So not bad.
What do you think, Reese?
Weird, man.
He is. I was like,
super hyper today.
We were downstairs a few minutes ago, and I said, his trigger words, do you want to go upstairs? It's the do you want to go is the trigger. So he thinks we're going for a ride.
And he's not
he
coming
can't,
today.
Unfortunately.
Not today. Maybe tomorrow. So yeah, that's just going in a regular mailer under £1. Shipping Hips new mailers. Well, they did come out today, which is Friday, but you won't see this video probably till Monday or Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. So, all right, AV.
All right, sorry guys, I just got a call from my dad, and I do record on my phone, and it cuts the video. So, sorry about that.
All right, I did get a viewer sale. Going out to Yvonne. Bought these Hotter Comfort Concept sandals for $15 on Mercari. I had $5 into the sandals, so thank you so much, Yvonne.
Awesome. Yvonne, thank you so much for that support.
Yeah, and I am, those are going out FedEx, so I need to find a box for them.
Our own brown box.
Yeah. And we're going to the closet anyways to get a hanging thing. What's that? Do you see any, maybe these? This might be a good box for the sandals. I think so.
Yeah.
For that. And then this is, I've never heard of this brand. I bought this just strictly on style as a shacket. So it had the pockets, thermal lining. Okay. So
not a brand you're very familiar with?
No, the brand is Voyager. I've never actually heard of it.
Okay.
I don't know if it's I don't think it's a very big brand, but paid $5.99, sold for $23 plus shipping on Mercari.
Okay. So. Not too bad.
Okay.
Did it take a while, or?
Not like a whole year or anything, but
a few months.
It did take a while because I feel like I bought this in the winter, hoping it would sell.
It is interesting that it sold in the summer.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here dying from heat stroke right now.
And it sold on Mercari, and for my full list price at that time, no, they didn't even make an offer, so it was interesting. So yeah, happy with that.
Very nice.
That one's going UPS, so we will just do a larger mailer on that one. Still got some of our dog ones. Okay. All right, DS. Oh, it's back in the closet, huh?
Yeah, that's our.
Sold some Hey Dudes. Just picked these up at Plato's Closet a few days ago for $10. Sold this pair on Posh for $30. That was an offer I accepted. This person got the Posh VA offer, which was $40 with discount shipping and countered at $30. But I like to make sales quickly, so I thought that was fair. They're not in like amazing shape. So 10 into 30 in a couple days, I think is great.
Very nice.
Put the regional fee box on that. Alrighty, AG. Another quick sale. What we at? Some girl size Choco sandals. These I did pay $9.99 for. I accepted a $25 offer on Posh. I usually get around 30 plus ship on the kids size ones, but I would be holding out for an extra $5 when I made basically doubled my money in just a couple days. So I'm good with that. I do feel like people are probably done mostly shopping for summer right now too. So even though it's just barely starting, I feel like most people shop for summer. They don't have the box I want.
We don't have the box.
Now, so, I feel like most people are done shopping for their mostly summer stuff. So.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I mean, school is coming up in a month or two, right? So at least our school is.
I shop for our kids this summer and stuff in like March.
Yeah. So like people are shopping for fall stuff. I mean, it makes sense, like the shacket.
Yeah.
So there's some prepared people out there.
Somebody was preparing, getting some new undies. I got these from the bins actually, just because they were new in package. Why not? And I'm glad I did. They sold for $18 on Posh, and I had $1.84 as my average cost of goods this bins day, so not bad. Just for some.
Yeah. Some bins undies.
Front, back, right? Like I took 2 pictures and listed them, and so pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
And those I'll just ship out in a tie-back mailer.
You guys like our new trash can? I broke the old one. I tripped on it and bent it.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
It's funny, I found like 4 at the estate sale I went to yesterday, but they were like plastic. I don't like plastic stuff that much.
Yeah.
So I didn't get one, but I was like, man, I really need a trash can. I don't want to buy like a brand new one.
Right. So we're arc bag and eBay tape. Ginger Marvin style. So that's it for today?
That's it for today.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and pack this stuff off camera because we got to get running, go spend some time with some friends, and we're going to join you right now for what sold on Saturday. Good morning, Reese. All right, guys, it's Saturday morning. We're back with what sold, I guess, the rest of yesterday and this morning.
All right, so where are you? So some Adidas kids slide sandals. These I got at the Once Upon a Child for $4.50. I accepted an $18 offer on Posh, so making probably a almost $10 profit there. Not too bad. And then ship those out in one of these flat boxes.
That's just like a mailing box,
Yep.
so not one of the regionals.
All right, box T. We had some decent shoe sales. This one is a pair of Keens, sold for $40 with discount shipping. I had $9.99 into those ones. That was also Poshmark. I think I'm out of medium flat rate boxes, or at least up here. So I guess we'll do this box on there.
Yeah, we've been kind of bad at making sure our boxes are stocked up here. I think we have plenty down in the shed, or in the trailer.
Using whatever we have. Presto. More shoes. These are a kid's pair of Nike Prestos. Also got these at Once Upon a Child. They had them priced at $12, but I had 20% off, so I paid $9.60. Sold them for $30 on Mercari plus shipping. Those are under £1, so just gonna be out in a mailer. All right, CX all the way over here. This is just a random shirt I found at the bins. I just thought it was a nice shirt. The brand was Bell Beach, which I never heard of. When I went to look it up, just to like kind of look up comps and stuff, it seems like maybe not like, I don't know. I don't think it's like sold at regular stores, but maybe like, not a direct to market. I don't know.
Right. Okay.
It doesn't seem like it's available everywhere.
Not in retail kind of thing.
I think if you like this brand, you know where to find it, I guess.
Okay.
But yeah, like I don't think you can go find it in Macy's or Dillard's or whatever like that. So, anyhow, I don't know if I would. I mean, it sold pretty fast for 25 plus shipping on Mercari. So
yeah.
I was gonna say I don't know if I'd pick it up again, but maybe I would if it was a couple bucks. I only had $1.37 into it from the bin, so that was a pretty good flip.
Gotcha.
Actually, I liked it for myself, and it just.
Is boutique what you were thinking?
Maybe not really boutique,
okay.
But I was thinking it kind of reminded me of like the Lori Goldstein stuff, which is sold like on QVC and everything.
Oh, okay.
So what is like QVC?
That's as seen on TV kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'm not positive, but that's what it seemed like when I went to look it up. These I just listed.
Yeah, we've been kind of lagging behind on getting some stuff processed. Not too behind, but
that's the only stuff not put away. Everything else.
Yeah,
is
we
just
still have to
get listed. And
delabel and inventory and all that kind of stuff on those, but
yeah, most people would probably have those in like a storage until they're ready to list, but we don't have a extra storage area. So.
Right.
All right. I think these are called the Nike ACG Kingsman boots. I just bought them because I like Nike ACG stuff. I did pay up for them at $16.99. And I was worried because they're kind of dusty looking. I don't know if you can tell on camera.
Yeah.
But otherwise, good shape. I mean, but yeah, they sold for $70 like the first day I listed them. So I listed them at $100 on Posh. Someone offered $70. Comps on eBay were in the $70 to $100 range, so I thought that was fair.
Yeah.
Quick flip.
They're nice shoes. I mean, I would not have thought of those as Nikes, so.
Yeah, nice little chukka boot.
Yeah.
Let's do, I think those should fit in a regional B. All right. AU. This one I accepted a little bit lower of an offer because I feel like swimming trunks are kind of on their way out for the season.
Yeah.
These are a pair of men's Billabong, and they were called like the Bad Billy swim trunks or something. Those I accepted $14. I did pay $3 for them, so it's about a $9 profit. Not horrible.
Bad Billy.
Yeah. They have like some, I think, skulls on them or something on one side of them. Yeah, look. Billabong Bad Billies. I don't know what that is.
It's funny because isn't the Harley skull like
it's called some
a Willie or
Willie G or something.
Willie G. So like, I wonder if that's a play on that. Billy and Willie, are they brothers?
I doubt Billabong
cousins?
and Harley are doing
distant cousins, maybe.
Collaboration. Oh. This was a pretty good sale. Also from the bins, these are APL. Just slide sandals. These retail for like $120 for a pair of slide sandals. Anyways, I paid $1.37. This pair sold for $33.96 plus ship, and it has some decent wear to them, you know.
Yeah.
So, like they've been worn and still sold for that much. Those are under a pound. They're kind of long though, so let's do this mailer. All right, and then I sold this Starbucks mug. London.
That's a bigger
Yeah,
than
it's a
standard.
little bigger.
Yeah.
Doesn't say. It's probably like a 16 ounce maybe. I don't know. Anyways, got this at a garage sale. I did pay $2, which I don't like when garage sales don't price stuff, so I picked it up. How much is this? It feels awkward to put it back down after they say $2, which $2 is not bad, but the comps on this particular one were not great.
Yeah. Did you check comp?
No, I didn't check
we didn't
comps
get a check
before
comps
I left,
there, right?
but
Yeah.
$2 for a mug at a garage sale usually makes me like,
And typically these like location-based Starbucks mugs
are pretty good.
Do fairly well,
at least
right?
20, but this one only sold for $11.01 plus shipping, which is surprising because London, I mean, you had to have gone there to get this mug, so
yeah,
I think.
Or buy it from us on eBay.
Yeah, so yeah, not too. I mean, I made what, $6 or $7 profit.
Yeah,
but nothing to write home about. All right, let's sell a pair of snow boots, which is always exciting in the summertime. Nice pair of North Face. I don't know, just a little snow boot. Paid $14.99, sold for $57 plus shipping. Those sold on eBay. And I don't know if they're gonna fit in a shoebox. Do you think those would fit in a shoebox? Probably not, huh?
Maybe.
I'll grab one.
I think it'd be a little tough, a little tight, but
I might need to do like an eBay box. All right.
yeah.
DA. This sale I didn't make a ton off of. Maybe like $6, $5-6. But it was an easy lister. It's just a Nike Pro men's shirt. I did pay $10 for this. It retails for $28, but Nike Pro stuff usually sells really fast. So I was like, if I can make anything, it's worth it.
Yeah.
So listed it on Posh at the retail price $28. Posh VA sent out the offer $22 with discount shipping and buyer accepted. So I'm making again like $6 maybe.
All right.
All right. Do a tie back. And lastly, another pair of shoes. BR. SAS, like a Mary Jane type of shoe. So for $29 plus ship, I had $7.99 into those. And those I do need to grab a closet box because they're
Closet box.
So that's what sold this morning so far. What was that weird sound that I heard?
Yeah, I don't know. We got 2 weird notifications there a little bit ago.
I guess I paid Mercari some money. I think I offered something yesterday.
Oh.
Maybe they just accepted it like a day later. So.
Gotcha.
Right.
We'll go ahead and pack this stuff up, and then we'll check back in. You gonna help us, Reese? Yeah.
You'll get a treat. Okay. He's a boy.
All right. We'll be right back. All right. Got it all packed up. Reese was just standing by patiently helping. Moral support. Got another treat. And yeah, if we take it right now, we'll make our post office that's here. So we're gonna call it here.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're going to get this stuff off to the post office. It closes in 10 minutes, and we don't want to make the drive to the further one. Our local one closes at 11:30 on Saturdays. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.